Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can share a transaction with a share group. So in a previous tip video, we walked you through how to create the share group in Lone Wolf Transact so that you can share your transactions with multiple agents in your market center or even just in other KW market centers. So whether that is, an admin or it's a transaction coordinator or it's just another agent in your market center staff, anything like that, they can be added to a shared group, and then you can share it with your transaction with those people. So you can share it with that group. So today I want to show you how you can actually share that transaction. So you do have to have that shared group created first. So if you have not checked out our tip video on how to create a shared group, I definitely recommend you go check that out first and then come back to this and we'll show you how to share it, to add it to a transaction here. So first thing I want to do is sign into Command. I need to get over to Lone Wolf. Today I want to go through a specific transaction that I have. So there's two different ways we can do this, or there's actually probably a couple more than that. We could go directly to Lone Wolf and find our transaction that way. Would totally work. We can click our name in the top right corner, click settings, and then go to transact from here. So we can do it that way and then select our transaction individually once it loads. So there's that option. Also, you could go through your opportunities. So if we go back to our command home, go over to our opportunities, go to our opportunities tab so we can find the easier one we can grab. And we'll just grab that one and we can go to our documents tab and we can just click go to transact and it will bring us to that specific transaction. So whichever way you choose to go through, we can go in and select, the transaction we need to. When you are inside that transaction, you just need to be in here. And then we're going to go into the transaction header and click these three dots over here in the very top right corner. And then we're just going to click share. It's going to pop up share groups right here. So it'll show who already has access. So any shared groups that we've already added, you can add here. Or we can click here, select from the drop-down menu. So we can add that shared group to our transaction. So we can go ahead and add it, and then we can save it, and they will be added to the transaction. Depending on the permission levels you've given the members of that shared group, they will be able to edit, modify, or just view the paperwork, the transaction as a whole. You can also go in, you can remove the share group from that transaction if you need to. So totally up to you. If you need to remove it later on, you can go in and do that and then save it right there. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags, one last thing, just make sure you click save after that to update the changes, and then it will tell you that it's been updated successfully. So just make sure that you click save or else it won't actually save it. But once it's been saved, they will now have access to this transaction. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, again, just feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.